Hello. Yeah. So today we will discuss about a new topic, that is the Bigfile tablespace. Bigfile tablespace help us to create a tablespace with a bigger size. Up to Oracle 9i, the tablespace what we are having was the small file tablespace, which means the size of a single data file in a small file tablespace is 32 GB. So which means if you wanted to have a bigger size, like terabytes of size, you need to have a lot of data files to be created, and naturally the management of the tablespace will be quite difficult. So Oracle has introduced in Oracle 10G the Bigfile tablespace, which contains or which allows us to create a single file tablespace with bigger size. So the maximum size possibilities are terabytes. For example, if you are using 8 KB block size, the tablespace size can be 32 terabyte, and if you are using the 32 KB block size, the tablespace maximum size possibility is 128 terabytes. And normally when you're creating a Oracle 10G database, the default tablespace type will be small file, but we can change it to a big file tablespace. So let's try to create a big file tablespace. So the database is already open. Create big file Okay, so let's create a big file tablespace. That is, create big file tablespace big TBS data file /Wysheid /big TBS .dbf size 200 MB. Say big file tablespace and create it. We can get this information from select tablespace underscore name comma big file from dba underscore tablespaces. You can see that the big TBS is by default it's a big file tablespace. Okay, now we'll see what is the database default tablespace type, and see whether we can change that to the big file tablespace. So select star from database underscore properties where just give this much. Here you can say that default TBS type equal to the property underscore name value, the property and the default TBS type is equal to small file tablespace. Now let's try to change it. Alter database set default big file tablespace. Okay, now select star from database underscore properties where property underscore name like percentage TBS. Okay, here now you can see that the default tablespace type is big file. Now let's try to create a tablespace and see whether that is resolving, or that is creating as a default that is creating as a big file tablespace. So create tablespace my tbs data file /Wysheid / my tbs1.dbf, size 100 MB. The table space is created. Now let's see whether what type of table space is. Select tablespace underscore name comma Bigfile from. You can see that the my TBS, even though we have not specified the Bigfile clause, it has been created as a Bigfile tablespace. Now let's try to see some tablespace management activities. Let's try to add a new data file by alter tablespace big tbs data file /Wysheid / big tbs1.dbf, size 300 M. It should be alter tablespace name, add data file. Okay, it says that cannot add file to a Bigfile tablespace. Now let's try to take the tablespace into read-only mode. Alter tablespace big tbs read only. The tablespace in the read-only mode. Let's try to drop the tablespace. Drop tablespace big tbs. Tablespace is dropped. Now let's try to increase the size of a tablespace. That's why alter tablespace my tbs resize 400 M. The tablespace is resized. Now we'll drop this tablespace also. Drop tablespace my tbs including contents and data files. Okay, so it's evident that all the tablespace management commands are applicable for Bigfile tablespace also. So I think this session is clear for you guys. Thank you.